Happy November the 25th, right? Welcome back to another video. So guys, I'm getting ready for my day. And first things first, hope you all are having an amazing day, amazing start to your day. I'm gonna hang out with some family today. I'm gonna deliver some packages today, like some little gifts that they have to go out of here to where they need to go. You know what I mean? So yeah, hope you guys are doing well. So this is my makeup for today. Do you guys like? This is hair for today. So guys, reason for this hair, guys, look, look at that. It's growing so much. Look at that. And I'm gonna let it continue to grow. But this is outfit of the day. I know you're probably like, some of you got on all those colors. Yes, it is autumn. Why not wear the colors of the season, right? So we're in the bathroom. Let me show you guys what I'm wearing today as far as fragrance. And then we're gonna go ahead and do what it do. I need to show y'all a few things. Hold on, I'm trying to get y'all propped up. I need to show you guys a few things. But before that, if you're wondering what I'm wearing today, I am wearing Pacifica, and this is Himalayan Patchouli Berry. This is what she's wearing today. If you can see that, can y'all see it? There is a little bit of wording there, and it, like a trace of an object on there. That's what it looks like, but that's what I'm wearing, along with this. Y'all know that this is my favorite from the oil place, from the African oil place. This is amber, Somali, and patchouli. And guys, it smells amazing. So much that I'm gonna put more on. So whoever I embrace, they're gonna get a whiff of it. But guys, in the meantime, and in between time, we're gonna go ahead, while we're here, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna plant our monstera today, and we're going to use the water. So stick along for this exciting, well, I'm just going to throw a bunch of stuff together in this video, okay? So guys, thank you so much for tuning in for another video, and always remember to love yourself, your whole self, so that you'll be able to love others. So this world would be what y'all? I'm waiting. A much better place. Yeah. It seems super dark in here, but it really isn't. But let me show y'all really quick some things. Well, you guys seen the things, but I'm just going to show you where I keep my stash. So this is where I keep all my, I think I showed y'all when I hauled some stuff from Dollar Tree, and just stacked up on all my, I don't have a lot of, well, I have a lot of room in the kitchen, in the cabinets, but this is where I keep my stockpile for now. So I got some stuff over there and over here. So these are the things that's going. This is going in the kitchen. I'm going to keep this one. You guys remember me hauling that. And I'm going to take 2 of these with me. So then I'm giving this to my mom. You know what? I can take this one with me too, because I think I'll see my mom today. So these 2 are going to be for 2 places I'm going. And this is for me, my mom. And then I have 1 more left. When I see her, I give it to her. And then guys, look, I got the boys. Look at that. I love the print. If you guys can see that print, that is what got me. But they love Superman, and they have their own rooms now. So all of this stuff is going to be coming out of this closet and going to go with me. So I'm going to put this stuff to the side so I can take it with me. And like I said, this one is going in the kitchen. So let me put these with the other stuff. And then I'm going to show you guys the Dossier that I received, because I haven't opened it yet. And yeah, but I just wanted to give you guys an update on what was in my walk-in closet and things like that. So yeah, let's go and we got that stuff out of there. But let's go in the kitchen, and I want to show you a few things in there as well. So let's head on that way. But I want to put this in the kitchen. So let's turn on some light because I think it may be dark in here. Whoo, let's see. Okay, so right here, guys. Oh, and I'm going to show you guys something else too, I said. But let me put you guys here. Why does it look like it's dark? It's super dark in here. Sorry, guys, for the lighting, but yeah, I just want to place, I'll just show you guys. I'm going to place, let me put y'all here so y'all can see what it is that I'm doing. Okay, so I'm going to place this. As you guys seen, I moved this stuff around. So this cutting board that's marble and wood is broke, but I'm going to glue it back together. But that's going to be, because I wanted a tray here, so that's where I'm going to put this in between my dish soap and my hand lotion, because this is, you know what, I'm gonna wipe that off because it's a little dusty right here. But this is what that is. This is antibacterial hand soap, lavender. So I just want it right there where you can so I can use it and you can see it. So that's what that looks like. Oh, and let me show y'all. I picked up some plates from Habitat for Humanity. Like, I'm trying to remember. It could have been like maybe a few days ago, but these were a quarter, guys. These were a quarter, and I love them because they are IKEA, and you guys see the color, and I like the fact that they're stoneware. I don't know if y'all know that about me. I love stoneware because it just lasts longer than the shiny plate. So I have these 3 bowls. Let me see if you guys can see that. You guys can't see it, so hold on. I got these 3 bowls, and these are the Hearth and Hand by Magnolia. So these go with it. So if you guys can see that. And like I said, these were a quarter and I got 3. Guys, I forgot to show you the sign. This is where I placed her for now. Let me know in the comments what you think. Instead of it up there, I think it looks nice. Now let's get on to the Dossier. Okay? All right, guys, let's get into the... Guys, this coffee is so good this evening. But I didn't share with you guys because I just wanted to wait until this moment to share, because it's my first time opening it with you all, and I wanted to do that with y'all. Real life, I don't have a problem with sharing. Sharing is caring, and I would like for people to order from this company because, don't get me wrong, I do feel they are they are inexpensive, but I do believe all of their fragrances, even the ones that's like $49 and $39, should be $29.99 like most of them. But oh, I got all 5, y'all. Oh my God, wait a minute. No, I only got 3. Oh no, I do got all 5. Okay. I do got all 5, y'all. So this is, before I do that, this is how it comes, like that. And I gotta hurry to get out of here, y'all. So I told you guys 2 of these are for my daughter, and 2 of them is my daughter's for her birthday, and 3 is for me. So this one is Floreal Vanilla. So I got, y'all. I got Floreal. I got 2 of these, and they don't come no more, y'all, with the they don't come no more with the what did they say? They don't come anymore with the tester. But if you're not satisfied, you can send this back and get a new one. Get something that you like. They're trying to do away with it. Oh my God, y'all, this smells so good, so good. In another video, I will just show y'all what the inspired scent is, but I just wanted to show you guys what they look like. And then I'm going to take 2 of these where I'm going today because 2 of them are my daughter. So she likes unisex. So what I did was I got 2 unisex. So this one is Woody. Wait a minute, hold on. Woody Chestnut. That's this one. So I think I got 2 of those if I'm not mistaken. Woody Chestnut. Oh, what I was saying about my hair, y'all, have been having my hair in that top knot bun. I just wanted my hair to breathe, you know. I wanted to breathe. So yeah, this is the other one. This is the Woody Hawthorne. So like I said, we both have that. So when I do my haul or whatnot, you guys will not haul, but when I do my fragrances, how they smell and what do they compare to, their inspired scents, then I would tell you guys how they smell. So this is the same one. Like I said, this is Floreal. No, this is Floreal Tuberose. This is oh my God, y'all. Lord have mercy. This is what I'm talking about right here. Now, this one did come this one did come with a sample, okay? So the Floriano tuberose, it came. Oh my freaking God. Y'all, stay tuned for more, okay? Now, that was the only one. This is for me, like I said, the Floriano tuberose and the woody chestnut. And my daughter has the woody cedarwood. And I'm gonna have to put all this stuff back, y'all. And this is the same, this is a Floriano vanilla. And then this is the last one in here. So I think I'll give her the box with the stuff in it. So all of these don't have samples except for my tuberose, okay? So I can tuberose her out. Okay? So I'm happy about that. Let me get this out of here. They got everything packaged so good. So we'll go into detail about that stuff, but here's the other one. So guys, here are all the scents, and I will see you all in some more clips of this video. So guys, I can't wait to spray on my Floriano tuberose, okay? All right, guys, here it is. I'm having a little fun with you guys. I am displaying my OOTD of the day. I got my mustard colored side bag, my wedges by Tom's, and a bunch of other thrifted items. I am loving my outfit today. I hope you do as well. On a budget. Banging on a budget.
This is mine. She gonna be babysit. I want babysit.
Do you like it? Do you like it?
Spider-Man.
Huh?
Spider-Man no more.
You might have it upside down.
I think I just did. Oh, I do. This is the YSL one.
Smell it though.
Call me for all of your advertising.
Smell it. Did you smell yours, Danielle? Huh? Oh, you just pull it up. Pull the top up. Just pull the top up, yeah.
Oh, it is natural.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah, this smells good.
Okay. Now this.
Dossier, you need to sponsor me. Oh wait, what's this one?
That's the unisex.
Ooh. Y'all, unisex smells are the best. I love a man strong scent.
Say hi.
Okay.
He ain't paying attention.
Oh, these like magnetic tops.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Bye. Say hi. Manuel, you gonna say something? Huh? Say hi.
Hi.
There's the cook. And she followed me over here too. Y'all already seen that.
Now let me stop being kind.
All right, y'all.
She ain't like when MJ and them was doing that.
I didn't like that, but I'm going to end this video, y'all. Bye.